Have you always wanted to talk to your crush but never seemed to get the hang of it? Do you think girls underestimate you and tend to ignore you? Are you an introvert but really want to grab some attention from the girl in your math class? Well, we all have been there at some point or another where we tend to avoid talking to our crush while the cool dude from the football team takes her on a date and it's too late. So, do you want to know the 7 secrets of attracting a girl without even saying a single word? Yes, you heard me right, without saying a single word. To learn the art, sit back and watch the video very carefully and religiously because these hacks have never been exposed in the history of the internet ever before. And believe it or not, it has proven to be 100% effective for those few lucky people out there who are aware of the secret recipe. If you'd like to be a part of a game-changing giveaway, make sure you watch the whole video. So, let's start at number 7. It's the be authentic. The first and foremost important rule to attract a girl is simply by following your true self. Nothing is better than being genuine and authentic, and in this world of chaos and two-faced people, it is a huge miracle to find someone who doesn't copy the Calvin Klein model or the violent boy from the school who gets all the attention. What does it mean to follow your true self? Well, an easier version would be to just do what you have always wanted to do, feel the way you wanted to feel, and react to situations the way you like it. The key is to maintain your essence and never lose it, because if you try to copy others, you'll only end up being miserable running after something that is not you. This way, you'll not only attract girls, but those girls will love to stay with you because you're genuine and definitely match their level of awesomeness. Number 6, smile whenever you can. Talking about authenticity and true self, a smile is not only one of the most genuine things, but the purest form of an expression. Even Jimmy Fallon admits to this, as he said, "Everyone looks so much better when they smile." A nice and charming smile will make you look approachable, welcoming, and nice, and girls will tend to talk to you more often because this is a positive gesture and positively attracts everything. Make sure that this smile is all nice and natural because humans are quick to notice fake and phony gestures. And following the previous rule, you have to make this a genuine smile. If you have problems with smiling too often or aren't confident enough, then go to the link in the description box below, and I'm sure it'll help you to a great extent. But a quick fix is to smile at every person you see for a week, and soon you'll notice that your smile gets more natural day by day. Number 5. Always face her. Now, before you start thinking in the other direction, let me tell you that I certainly do not mean that you stare at her all the time. What you're supposed to do is turn towards her and keep your face in her direction while talking to her so that she realizes that you're not uninterested in her or something. But the real test comes when you're done talking. Do not turn away after you're done talking to her. I cannot emphasize enough on this matter, and it is exactly the pivotal make or break moment. This is one of the most common mistakes men tend to make, as this gives the girl an impression that the guy wants to get done with it as soon as possible. And since you wouldn't want to give that impression, do not make this mistake. Number 4, eyebrows are a giveaway. Eyebrows may not be an important part of the body for men, well, at least not as important as they are for women, but they play a major role in attracting a woman. Something that nobody ever told you before. The way you use your brows in a conversation doesn't only have an impact on your personality, but it also affects the woman who was getting attracted to you but isn't anymore due to a weird eyebrow use. Raising them too high while in a conversation with a female might seem too rude. Keeping them a bit too relaxed, hence too low, might make you seem annoyed. But if you don't raise them at all, you'll obviously seem bored with that monotonous expression on your face. Make sure you know exactly how to move those caterpillars. Just raise them moderately enough so she knows you're genuinely interested in what she's saying. Number 3, perfect eye contact. You know if the person is interested in you or what you're talking about when he or she maintains the eye contact, and this is exactly the most important gesture from a man to express his interest in someone. Ever heard of the quote, "I can't keep my eyes off you"? Well, the eye contact theory emerges from this quote. The fact that someone is interested in you is mostly judged by his eye contact. It is said to be one of the most powerful gestures, as maintaining an effective eye contact is not just as easy as looking right into the eye. The duration matters a lot. Staring in the eyes for a long time will definitely make you look like a creep, while not maintaining enough eye contact will make you look like a bored freak who's just talking to a girl for the sake of it. The right duration of an eye contact and the right number of times when it is made while in a conversation with the opposite gender is a key to win hearts. Number 2, upgrade your wardrobe. Clothes are a major part of your personality, and the way you dress says a lot about who you are and what category do you fall into. The creepy nerd, the lazy bag of potatoes, the heartbreaker gym guy, the over-smart dumb boy, or the dashing, charming, decent man. Choose wisely how you dress and what you wear according to the occasion, because it is a very delicate subject. You might be funny, smart, and pretty cute, but if you dress up in the wrong manner, there's a huge possibility that you'll lose a lot of attention, because this is the first thing a girl notices about a boy. Even before talking to the boy or before getting to know him, she quickly judges him by the way he is dressed up and then decides whether or not to talk to him. Clothes are just something you put on to cover yourself. Fashion is a way to communicate. Dries van Noten. Number 1, throw the phone away. Cell phones might be a huge essential, but they can ruin the perfect night or the chance to find your Mrs. Right. Constant use of your cell phone will not only stop you from paying attention to the girl of your life, but also cause problems with a girl in the future. A girl wants all attention for herself, but if you keep wasting energy on that tiny screen, the girl will go away with the cool dude at the bar. Trust me, if you want to meet women, put your cell phone down and pay her undivided attention to prove that you are interested in her. I hope you liked the video and it managed to help you grab a lot of attention from girls. Thanks for watching. Click the link below in the description to receive your free game-changing giveaway. Please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to such topics, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.